need to get a different scarf because why am I stressing myself in my own house? It's so cute. Hi lovelies, welcome back to Ramadan Daily. Today is Ramadan day 2. Don't mind the background, guys. There's a lot going on in my house right now. But anyway, I just want to show you guys a few things that I got. Just got back from school. I passed by the store, grabbed a few things. I want to make some samosas. I really don't want to make the wraps, so I'm gonna try to use these. I've never used this before. This is gonna be my first time. I hope they're okay. I mean, I like egg rolls, so I hope these will be okay for the samosas. And then also I got some containers, right? Because I want to make like overnight oatmeals for my suhoor. Because what I've noticed, oh my god, it's not even funny. What I've noticed is the time that I wake up and try to prepare the suhoor, yeah, it's not enough time. So I think I'm just gonna make some overnight oatmeals. And whatever else that I choose to make, I'll just try to prepare as much as I can prepare it and put it in here. I'm already falling asleep everywhere. This hijab is I don't even know why I wore these. This was so bad today. It gave me such a hard time because I kept slipping everywhere. Anyway, yeah, the sleeping, non-existent. Doesn't exist over here. It's just horrible. Why do I have this anyway? Protein and the quick oats. Alright. Should I put you guys like over here? I feel like the lighting is better this way. I don't know though, but that doesn't make sense. I'm talking to you guys. I should put you over here. You know? It is what it is. I need to get a different scarf because why am I stressing myself in my own house? Are you crazy? My face is so chunky. Oh my goodness. I hope I lose some weight with this Ramadan because your girl's been eating. Okay, let's make some overnight oatmeal. Let me wash these first. Okay, so I have everything. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna make 3. I'm gonna eyeball everything. Don't even ask me, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna put a dash of cinnamon. So, first the Quaker. What's my measurement thingy? That ain't funny. Okay, I'm gonna put this one. It's 1/3. I'm gonna put this protein powder. And it's perfect because it's chocolate. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. And I also wanted to put some yogurt. So let's see. Let's put some yogurt. We're gonna put honey. Honey. I don't do the last direction. My brain has already shifted. Goodness. It's hard out here. Okay. I wanna see? Come see, guys. This is what they're looking like. Okay, I need to use my hands. Oh no. Okay. I bought the pre-made meat with everything in it because I'm not in the mood to make the authentic from scratch samosas. Hence why I didn't make my own filet or nothing. Also, I don't have flour in this house, and I think I'm gonna go grocery shopping probably Monday? No, Saturday or something like that. But what are we making? I need the recipes from Ramadan, guys. I need some new fresh recipes. I don't want to make rice. I know I can just go on TikTok. I'm gonna go on TikTok. I found some really good recipes on TikTok, but I don't know. Honestly, I just don't want to cook. Fun fact about me: I hate cooking. I hate cooking so bad. I hate the kitchen. Let me just say that. I hate anything domestic, to be honest. Anything domestic, anything that's meant to be for the woman to do, I hate it. I hate cooking. I hate cleaning. Whatever. Those are the two I can think of right now. But I hate cooking and cleaning. I hate it so much. But I really like a clean space because I'm like ADHD, and when my space is like clean, it just kind of like frees me, and I can do more, and I'm more productive. So like I like a clean space, but I am naturally like a messy person, and I don't like cleaning. Y'all know what that means. I struggle in here. Yeah. When I'm rich, there'll be signs, and one of the signs, yeah, there will be a maid in my house. There will be a maid coming to clean my house on a regular basis, and cooking. In fact, I'm just gonna be like, yeah, I just need you to meal prep everything for the samosas. Oops. Perfect. If this turn out good, I'm just letting y'all know right now. With the way I am, I'm gonna use this every single time. Every single time. It is. Ooh, these look great. They actually don't look bad. Not bad at all. And they wrap so well. Look at it. OMG! It's a cutie. There she is. Oh, cute. I love it. Ah, they're like coming out so perfect. They're like so triangular, and it's like almost like, okay, the texture of this, what do you call this thing? What is this thing called? Anyway, the texture of this, oh my gosh, I need the word for it. That sound dumb. Pastry, the texture of this actually like is pulley, so like you can pull it and like really fix it. So this is what you guys have been using, and y'all haven't tell me. Y'all didn't tell me it was good though. I just didn't want my sambusa to taste like a spring roll. That's my thing. That's why I haven't used it, because I don't like that. I like spring rolls, but as a spring roll, not as a sambusa. But yeah, I can't wait to see how they taste though. I don't know anything about that. Okay, so I'm almost done, but I made like actual spring roll type. How cute! So cute. I'm almost done. I only have like this much meat left. I'm already exhausted. I can't do this. I overcooked my protein macaroni because I forgot they were on the stove. So that's that. But no wahala, no need to worry. They're fine. What is over there? Now I'm making rice. With that being said, I gotta go. I cleaned up my little coffee slash tea area. Matcha. Well, matcha slash tea area. I do have some coffee, but I don't drink it like that. But isn't it just the cutest thing? This is officially my new favorite place. I just need like some type of plant or something like over there. Like something. I might put like a Ramadan decor or something over there. Just to tie it all up. Like, be for real. Be for real. It's so cute.